Hi, welcome to my page. This is Lily. Thank you for joining me. You know, it's always a privilege and an honor to have you tune into my YouTube videos. And I talk to you about what I do besides making videos and traveling. So I got this from Mum. My mum is, of course, I'm from the island of Niue, and my mum used to love to embroider. Doing embroidery was during the time when I was having my first child, and then now he's much older, of course. Now he's having a child of his own. So this has been brought back. It's a resurrection of an embroidery that has been put away for all those years, being inspired by my grandchild arriving on May. So I'm getting back to embroidery. Not only that, with my crocheting, I do a bit of crocheting. And so I've got all these little squares. I have made a blanket, a little baby one. I wouldn't do a big one. So I did have just a green, but now I've decided to go with the yellow borderline. I mean the white borderline. Where did I get the yellow from? I don't know. But anyway, so I thought I would share that with you. I have a love for reading as well. I love reading. I love walking. I would like to say also that I do listen to a lot of inspirational speakers. You know what she talks about a lot is about dreams and goals. More dreams, actually. Start writing your dreams, hearing about how our goals and dreams, what's the difference? Okay, our goals are we create them. Our dreams are we were born with dreams. And so we continue to build on our dreams until the day we leave this beautiful being in this big church or big stadium, speaking to thousands of people. So what she would find the speaker, and she would cut the head off and put her head on, her picture of her head on, and then all these things have become reality, you know, to her. All the things that she has done, she's shared, she's dreamed, put herself in those places before it actually happened. She's amazing. So I would recommend her. Her name is Terry Savelle, and she's American, but I think she's wonderful. She has the voice of like a 7-year-old, and she amazes me. So I'm thinking, if she can do it, so can you, so can I, so can anyone else. What would you like? Lily, what would you like? And I would say, oh, not much. Just if you say not much, that's what you'll get. And that's why I found her amazing to listen to, because it's so true about what we say out of our mouths sometimes. It's so real, so true. I'm a bargain hunter, and I love to buy bargains. So if a dress for, say, was for sale for $100 and so, and it's come down to maybe $40, I'll buy that dress and I'll alter it. I love it. So I love being creative in that way as well with anything. And I love also, I want to share about, I kept my son's little blanket when he was a baby, and I thought one day he's going to have a child and I want to give this to him. So what I've done is through the years I've kept it, right? And now, so I've taken it out of the suitcase, but the edgings, the ribbons around the blanket, little baby blanket, it's kind of worn out a little bit on the corner. So what I've done is I went and put some ribbon and just took that old one off, and it looks great. And I'm taking it to the dry cleaners just so that it'll make it really look nice. And I've also sewn on a little patch on it and embroidered my little granddaughter's name. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my page. Click below here on this YouTube video and click and subscribe. That's if you haven't subscribed to my page. But I want to thank you so much from me for doing so. Thank you, and we'll see you again on my next video. And I do love watching other people's videos, so start making videos for yourself. If I can do it, so can you. Bye for now.